Literally brake fluid everywhere. I have no brakes on the front. It's not going to work. I'm really pissed off. What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel and welcome back to the channel for anyone that does watch. If you're not subscribed, make sure smash that subscribe button either here or there somewhere. So I had all these massive plans this week to get out the back garden, sort out the garage, get the perimeter of it done with all the stones and the concrete and stuff. But unfortunately, Ireland has different plans. So I really want to get back into the builds on the channel. It's really hard. I'm not using my garage. One of my friends is using the garage for a while. He's building American muscle cars. Maybe we can head down there one of the nights, have a look. Aaron's rebuilding the 300ZX. We have to get a look on that as well. And I really just want to get the garage built. But I'm going to be so busy. I'm starting a welding course so I can do all my own welding. Also looking to work in doing welding. Make some more money to build up the garage and get the garage to where I want it to be. And do some custom, maybe metal fabrication work for other people. Make some money on that as well, just to get more projects. I'm also very busy, 3 kids, and found out a couple of weeks ago, another one on the way. So a boy, baby boy we're having. I'm really happy with that. Really shitting myself, but really happy. So yeah, loads of plans this year and next year. Loads to do. Saving for Japan. Can't wait for the Japan videos. Looking to get a different camera so I can bring a camera with me and upload onto a laptop, because I do use my phone. The phone is really good. The quality is really good. The face forward camera isn't that great, but the camera looking that way is amazing. But yeah, loads to do. Plenty to do and move on. So I'm going to just move on to where the weather's actually really nice, hopefully, and we get this garage pad done, and then you'll see the structure going up. It might take 2 or 3 weeks, but so yeah, please do enjoy. Drop a comment, give a like, let me know how I'm doing with the channel and the builds. I know it's taking ages. Hopefully by the time the garage is done, the Fiat is painted and we can get that raffled off and get it gone to some one lucky winner to win that car and send the whole $5,000 that it makes to charity. So yeah, make sure you buy a ticket, make sure you're in a chance to win the awesome little car. So yeah, let's move on. And it's a few days later and it's still miserable. So we got some post. Let's have a look at that. So I ordered these a few days ago off one of the lads I know on Facebook, and I ordered some bits and pieces off Amazon as well. So let's get this open and have a look at what I got. That wasn't easy. So what we have here are B series exhaust flanges. So with the new welding thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to get a welder. I'm going to get my own TIG/MIG/arc welder in AC/DC, and I have other bits and pieces from Amazon that I ordered that I will show now. And yeah, I'm going to get some stainless steel tubing, and we're going to make a brand new manifold for the Mini, because the one that's in the Mini, it does the job, but it's looking a bit rough. I want to put new pipes in, make them nice. I'm going to bend them all down around, so I'm going to bring it out into this one, bring it down, so it'll go into 2 into 1, and then 2 into 1, then the 2 will go into 1 again, and it will be really nice on the Mini, and hopefully get a bit more power out of it, because the one I have on it is a 2.25 and I want to do these 2.5. So yeah, let's go. So to go along with the flange, we have this bad boy. So it's a 2.5 inch. I ordered it off Amazon, stainless steel, and it was €10. Well, $11.50 delivered, which isn't bad at all. So that's what's going on the exhaust for the Mini. So once I get my welder and I do my welding course and get my certificate, I will be welding up a brand new manifold for the Mini. I'm going to be taking this dash out and trying to make up some fixing points for behind, because as you can see, we are very loose and I don't like it. There's a few bits and pieces that I need to sort. There is a hole behind this that I need to plug. It will be getting plugged up. There's also one over here, but that one's already plugged up with a circle metal piece that fits in there. This one is just left open, and when I am driving in the rain, it's coming in and it's going down, and that's the last thing I want is puddles in here for rust. I was at a car show the other day and I picked this lovely Draper screwdriver set up for 18 quid. So happy with that. But yeah, plenty to do with the Mini. I just really want to get the brakes feeling right. My Metro 4 pots should be here in the next few days, finally. I'm going to bring them down to my mate Andy, that's a dub mechanic, and we're going to sandblast them, strip them out, paint them and put new seals in. So what colour should I paint them? We shall see when they get here. A few other jobs to do is just tidy under here and hopefully tighten these pedals. As you can see, There's a bit of give in the clutch one that I don't like side to side. The accelerator one is perfect. This one is perfect, but back and forth, it's a little loose, so I don't know if I can do anything with that, but this one is really annoying. Very, very, very annoying. Also, steering wheel's coming out, steering column's coming out, and I want to check the steering because every now and then I'm turning and I'm getting a notchy feel and I don't really like it. It's not safe. So I have loads to do over the next few days. We have a car meet on Sunday, so yeah, let's get these brakes sorted. So the first thing we need to do is get the Mini over here and up on axle stands. Now, Mini is on axle stands and we're going to remove both wheels. Then I'm just going to take the calipers off and switch them around because I put them on backwards, and a subscriber actually commented on it, and we're going to fix that right now. So this caliper needs to go over there because it's upside down and I won't bleed fully, and then once that's done we'll connect them all back up, and then all this shit is coming out. Gonna sort out where we're going to put our servo and then run all new brake lines. Let's go. Now we do have both wheels off. Now this side is looking very grimy and dirty because we have a CV boot broken again, but when we're putting on the new brakes, this is just to get the car running for the weekend for a car meet. Once I get these switched over and the new brakes, all of this will be coming off. We'll be getting all this blasted and painted just to have it all minty fresh. As you can see, it just looks rough. These are all new. I also am getting new top arms and new shocks, so everything is going to be hunky-dory and new. So let's get this off and swap them around. Right, calipers are swapped over, have all new hardware, new bolt as well put in, shorter ones because the other ones are too long. So each side is done. I'm just going to hit it with some brake cleaner just to get all the shit off it and tighten everything up. Also, one of the best things I ever invested in, a good tool set. You need to get one. Now it is time to tackle this mess. I'm going to get all this out of the way, get the servo out and see where I'm going to mount it. Right, all the pipes are out and loads of fiddling later. I have the spot where I'm going to put it. I'm going to bolt in this mount, then that can be screwed on, and I need to go and get different fittings now. Then I can run this pipe into here, so straight from that into that, then a pipe from this onto this pipe, and then this pipe just goes straight back up into here. Yeah, let's get this done. So yeah, typical working on the car, and she starts raining really heavily. So I'm going to get wet while doing this, but I'll show you what I'm going to do. So this pipe here is a rear brake. I'm going to split that. I'm going to send that straight up into the master, and then this pipe comes around and goes into this part, and then this one goes down into this joint here for the front and back brake, or for the two front brake calipers. So that splits off onto driver's side, that splits off onto passenger side. So this pipe comes up and into here. So I'm obviously going to do a bend, bring it up here, around here, and do a bend into here, make it nice and tight and tidy. And then the same for all the other ones. I'm gonna bring this one out, down and in, and the same with this one, down as smooth, as close to this as I can. And then this needs to be in a bit more solid. I do have a bracket here that goes from this over to here, so that'll keep that steady. So yeah, let's get all these lines done. Loads of fiddling later and we are done. All new lines. Left loads of room for the air filter so I can get the air filter back in. I'm going to fix the pipe before we get the air filter back in. So let's get the air filter in. Well, bleed these first, then get the air filter in. Now we have our brake bleeder all set up, ready to go. So I'm going to fill up the rest of this with fluid and bleed all the brakes and check for leaks. Right guys, I've been scratching my head with this for hours, okay? The brakes aren't working. I read online that you could use these on a single line, and I ran it from the front brakes into this. No brakes. Brakes aren't working. I'm not happy at all. Like, I spent a few quid on this, but it's just not working. I've tried all variants, I've changed shit, I've ran different pipes and stuff, so it's looking like this needs to go. I'm not happy at all. Literally brake fluid everywhere. I have bled the brakes I don't know how many times. I've had it hooked up to the servo, not hooked up to the servo. I have no brakes on the front even when the car's off, so it's not going to work. So yeah, I'm not a happy bunny. I'm going to leave the video here. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, appreciate it. I'm really pissed off, but I'm going to rip it all out and just do all new brake lines again and just bleed the hell out of the brakes and make sure that they're working properly. So yeah, wish me luck. Peace out, be dedicated.